Morning! I have some morning announcements for you, brought to you by this beautiful scene of a forest in Finland. A couple of things that came up on the country projects, country reports. Some of you didn't understand that you only have to do 50 points. You don't have to do the whole slideshow. You don't even have to do it with the slideshow, but the slideshow is a handy way to show some of that information. Only 50 points are required. If you do extra, I've decided I will let those extra points count to replace low or missing scores on past assignments. So if you didn't get a great score on your island map and didn't follow through on the comments to improve it, or if you haven't finished your island map and feel overwhelmed by that, do extra on the country reports and you can use that to replace those points. Also, on the population pyramid videos, on the population pyramid slide, there are a couple of videos on the Canvas page that are background information for doing that. They specifically talk about the ways I want you to analyze the population pyramid using the shapes of a Christmas tree, a box, or a cup. Without that information, it's going to be a little bit confusing. You're going to have a hard time doing it the way I need it to communicate. So please watch those videos. That's why you get extra points the first time you do it, because it's going to take you about 20 minutes to watch the videos. Thanks, and have a great day.